View from the lake. Wells over there. Chalet. Lodge. New cabins. The old cabins in between at the back of each one. Over there is RV parking. Here's the propane tank. Lines that go underneath into beside each cabin. There's an outlet at the back of each one. And it's the same way for all of them. Here's the RV / camping area. Here are the solar panels. There will be a line going through here to a power shack that will be going where this equipment is parked. Here's the diesel generator going to the lodge, and that's where the solar power house will be eventually. Here's one of the new cabins. You can see the blue pipes to water, and each cabin is basically copy and paste with the water lines on each of the backs. Here's the peak of the roof for the lodge. Rear wall installed, ready for electrical. There's a gas line that runs along here to the back, and there's also water and sewer hookups. Here you are by septic tank next to the cabins. The lines go underground, up the hill to the septic field, up there a little ways. Here's the well lines that run under the ground over to the chalet, join up with the tanks. Cabin 1, peaked roof, bathroom going in.